check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we'll be doing invisible locks. I believe this is like my first time doing this style, so be easy on me. But I have done it a lot of times since this video. And honestly, I thoroughly enjoy doing this style. Like, I don't know, it's just something about it. It's very relaxing. And honestly, it's easy. It's like 5 rows, 2 below the ear, and then 3, along the top. Very easy style. So if you're interested in doing this style for your clients, stay tuned to this video. So we are starting off with twisted up hair. If you see in the beginning, I did hold up that pack. It has 3 bundles of hair in it. I believe it's like a afro spring hair, if I'm not mistaken. But I tell my clients to make sure they bring 3 packs of that. So you can do any length that you want. I think they come in like a short length, like a 14, and then they have like an 18 inch, and they also have a 22 inch. I believe she had the 18 inch, if I'm not mistaken. Maybe the 22 inch. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not really sure. But you will need 3 packs, so you'll have 9 bundles in total of the hair. I normally use about 2.5 packs. I am using the Easy Edges beeswax edge control for this. It's not an edge control. It says edge control on the pack, but it's not an edge control. I use it for a lot of braiding styles. It has immaculate hold. If I don't use that, I do like using the Peruvian clear gel, Peruvian braid and lock gel, the apple cider vinegar one. That also has very great hold. So that is not what I'm using here. I'm using the Easy Edges beeswax for this style. But if you can't get that, I would recommend you getting the Peruvian braid wax lock gel. So I'm starting off on this back row. I'm putting 4 locks on her back row. Her hair is very thick, but it twisted right into these twists with no problem. So I do kind of like a flat twist. I know you see some people, they do a comb twist on their hair. I'm not really good at that because I don't do locks or anything like that. So I'm not very fluent with, coiling with the comb. I can do it, but I'm just not that good at it. So I prefer to do like a flat twist on the sections, and then twist that down and add the extensions as I'm going. So I normally add about 3 to 4 pieces per twist, and that's just so we can match the density of her hair. You want to match the density of your client's hair, maybe like a little bit more dense so they can actually have that bulb at the end, but not too much more, because you don't want, as the hair to grow out, for the extension hair to be weighing the hair down. It's not what you want. So you kind of want to match the density of your client's hair. And so as you can see, I put the 4 twists on that back row, and then I'm going in with the second row. I do 2 rows beneath the ear, and then you'll see me curve up and do 3 rows around, the bigger part of the head. So I am using that gel. I am cleaning the parts, making sure everything is nice and neat. And then, like I said, I do a flat twist. I split each section in half. I flat twist it down, and then I twist to add the extension in. I'm going to slow this down for you in just a second. And excuse me for walking back and forth in front of this camera. I'm really just trying to make sure that I give you all a good view while also trying to stay out the way. The lighting in my shop is a little weird, so I've been working with that with my camera. But this style is super cute. It really blew up this past summer, so I just had to learn how to do it. Of course, my sister was my first client that asked for this, and once I was doing hers, I was like, oh snap, I actually like doing this. I'm going to do a limited time offer on this for my clients, and then now it's become a permanent staple on my service list. I believe this client probably was like my 2nd or 3rd person that I've ever done this on. So, but it still came out fire, honey. For this to be my 2nd client, just wait to the end. I know you've seen the preview in the beginning, but baby, it was clean. The parts is clean. The twist is clean. Everything is clean. Nice, neat, and clean. And that's what you want to give. You want to make it look like they have locks, so you just shoot and twist them together. So just stay tuned. As always, if you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure you are subscribed so you can see what's popping here at the Pretty Lounge. New videos do drop every Sunday at noon, and I am trying to figure out if I can, start doing 2 videos a week, but don't quote me on that. Don't quote me on that. So, but new videos do drop every Sunday at noon, so make sure you are subscribed to see what's popping at the Pretty Lounge. I do like uploading styles, because I do all things hair. I'm a very versatile stylist. I do a little bit of everything, and I try to, bring y'all into the world of the Pretty Lounge and all the stuff that I'm doing here at the shop. So, I'm zooming in on this. This is the first 2 rows completed, once I get my camera to focus, but I love doing this hairstyle, and honestly, it is quite easy. I would say it does take me about 4 hours to complete a whole head, 4.5, something like that, and that does include the dryer time, because I do loose my client down and put them in the dryer to help set these twists into place so you can get longevity out of the style. You want to make sure that there are no flyaways or nothing like that. So, as you can see, I am moving right on up. I believe this is row 4 that I'm on. So I did that 1 row above the ear, I did another row, and then the row at the top of that will really just be a middle part, split that in half. But I am going to bring this camera a little closer for y'all in just a second so you can see what exactly I am doing. And again, I do a flat twist. So I'm not like twisting the whole section down. I am taking... you can see I'm splitting with my nail and I'm grabbing the next piece, splitting with my nail and grabbing the next piece. So I'm grabbing pieces as I twist down, just to give the style a little bit more longevity versus me just doing one big twist. I'm sectioning and twisting at the same time. So just stay tuned for the rest of this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you all here on my YouTube family. And again, if you are not subscribed to the channel, make sure you're subscribed. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about your about this style or any other style, or if you want to give me suggestions or tell me what I should be doing so I can show y'all a little bit of something, go ahead and get down in the comment section and let me know what's up, okay? Because I'm responding to comments. I want to know what y'all want to see, and I want to make this YouTube channel, an enjoyable experience for everybody. Again, I like trying all different types of hairstyles, so if it's something that you want to see me do, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning into this channel, and yeah, just stay tuned for the rest of this style.
It sound right, boy. It sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy. It sound right, boy.
Down.
sound right, boy. Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boy.